How are you doing tonight? What do we have here? We have alien life form. Excuse me. It's a tad cold tonight, and it's this thing in the sky is red. It's kind of like an oval shape, and it's at a weird angle. Like I could almost, it's a little above the building. I could almost only film it between these branches. Yes, it's me, your favorite UFO-ographer from the New York tri-state area, New York City, bringing you all the strange sights I can find, and here is one for you tonight. There's another one to the right of it. Look at that. Look at that. Of course, I'm tapping my light meter. You saw it turn green. Wow. Well, that proves it can change shape. And I wish it was stationed in a better spot. Now it's towards the left. It was towards the right last time I filmed it. Yeah, it's now about 4 or 5 days ago, because we had some real rain here, and that's all cleared up. Oh, wait a minute. Let me zoom into the other one I see right above. Where is it? There we go. Here's another one. Let me just move myself over here. Where are we here? And we have even another one. I see 3 in the sky, but this one possibly could be a star. Tapping on the light meter, and there's no change in it. Let me get back a better angle. Bear with me, folks. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Where are we here? There we are. This one is near branches too, but it's more filmable, if there is such a word. And I think there is. This one is an emerald green. One of my favorite colors. And I don't know why I didn't notice this one at first. Do you know of any ruby red or emerald green stars close to Earth? I don't think you do. That change shape. Well, I'm tapping the light meter. It's changing shape a little. Should I go back to the original one? Maybe I should. They're both in really, you know what? To keep the variety, I'm going to go back to that one, finish up the video with that one. But we'll concentrate on this for several minutes, and the other one's towards the left, right above a building. This is towards the right, right above the building's top, and some branches in the way. I see several colors in this. Red, green, purple, blue. Yeah, more than usual. But as I've said many times, these things are very bright in the sky, like the North Star is. But it is not the North Star. It is not a star. Let's get that straight. Now, where's the other one? Yeah, I see it through the branches on the other side of the street. Let me see if I can. There it is. See it? Yes, you do. Oh. Wow. Wait a minute. Oh, jeez. Where are we going? Sorry about that. I may have to edit this now. This is the original one where I started the video tonight. And I've come to realize the one that I just was filming is the second best. This is the best one tonight. The biggest, brightest, and the most, makes the most changes. See? Can't do anything about those branches unless I have a cutter, snip, trim them. It's just where it's positioned tonight. It's in a different area. Kind of harder to get to. But well worth seeing, folks. Wow, look how much bigger it got, and it changed color. Now it looks oval shaped as I'm looking at it. A little bit windy out. I said we're supposed to have some snow 2 days next week, around the weekend, or a week from this Monday or something like that. We shall see. We'll see if that happens, but this is the month of winter where it starts. I'd rather have that than rain any day. As long as it's not, friggin' blizzard. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. Wow. Maybe this thing in the sky is too. When I was a kid, growing up in Massachusetts, we had a lot of white Christmases. A lot of snow. Blizzards, hurricanes, you name it. No tornadoes, luckily. That's for Dorothy and the Wizard of Oz. But they are playing with the weather. They, meaning the powers that be. There's just too many natural disasters today to not be suspicious. That's all I got to say about it, towns, cities rained out, cars underwater. This never used to happen. Isn't there something called like a drainage system? Graters? Where the water goes down? Or are they all stuffed up? Those fantasies of living on the beach, I don't know if I want to do that anymore, but we'll see, right? Well, now it got small. Changed a little bit with my light meter. It definitely responds to that, you know. Now it's really red. Now it's a cream color. I have to let it run several more minutes than I wanted to tonight because there was about a minute or two I was walking around and talking about finding the spot where it is, the thing I'm filming. Yeah, it's one of the few nights it's not really in the open sky, in the angle. Like if I walk further down the street, the building would cover it, it would disappear, so it's just mysteriously right through these branches like a horror movie. Well, this is closer to science fiction, but you get the picture. Yeah, now when I get home and download this, it'll probably look... What the hell? What creature be this? Yeah, now it's gotten small. Did you folks hear about those mysterious drones they saw in New Jersey? If you're in the New York area, it was again on the news tonight. Of course, I wasn't out there filming it. Would have been cool, but you know, they think they're drones, but they like weren't sure. I have filmed some drones, and it was obvious. What the hell is that? I can tell you what I think it is, but you might get grossed out. No, it's not a werewolf. It is a little creature looking for food. Let me see. Yeah, it's got some different colors in it. There we go. Got big for you. I did tap on the light meter. Okay, it's getting a little smaller, but it's still bigger. And it's in a circle. You know, I want to film these things closer to Earth. They will show up very soon, I guarantee it, but they haven't for a while. I'm making real sense here. If you watch my videos on a regular basis, you'll see that. You know what I'm talking about, that's what I'm saying.
léegi mu pare yow yaa ngi tooñaal
li boo xoolee sañ-sañ
yaa ngi tooñaal
li
ñu
boo
dëkk
xoolee day mel ni amoo sañ-sañ.
And look at that, folks. Goes right through the branch. What does that tell you? It tells you that even though this looks solid in the sky, this is transparent. This just proves it. It can be outside the branch or right up. It's right above it. Because if it wasn't transparent, the branch is on the angle I got it at now, it would be blocking it. You know what I mean? So I move over. Here it is between the branches. I've discussed this many times in videos. Just kind of bizarre, you know? Kind of proves the whole thing that energy is usually invisible, but this is, to me, a type of energy that's visible, and the fact that it can go in front of the branch without the branch covering it, see, means it's transparent. Am I being transparent with you? I want to be real transparent with you. Yeah. Transparency is cool. So, folks, with that being said, and the video being long enough, buy your Strange Sights in the Sky t-shirts on sale now on both Spreadshirt and Zazzle. The only problem with Zazzle is you have to make an account with them to even visit the site, but it's absolutely free. It takes a few minutes. But if you don't want to deal with that, go to Spreadshirt and get your official Strange Sights in the Sky t-shirt, coffee mug, other cool swag, backpacks, water bottles, pillows, posters, you name it. And with that being said, this is your host, your cryptic host of Strange Sights in the Sky, signing out. Bye-bye.